Hey, what's up guys, it's Jamie here, aka JAMJAM 1515, and Owen's joining me today. We're off on a little bit of an adventure. We have not been hiking in what, like months, seems like? Since last time we went hiking there was snow, let's just say. So, we're pretty excited. We've been to this spot before, it's a pretty cool waterfall. So, we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Waterfall finally. It's nice and cool here, but it was freaking hot coming up. There's Owen. Try and get up here. There's the waterfall. We came in the winter and we got up there. There's another little pool up there, and then there's a lot more waterfalls, but they're hard to get to, so we're just gonna chill here for a bit, take some pictures, go in the water, have a good time. Guys, we made it up above where the waterfall was, sorta. You can see we're up here. Owen's actually up there. He was up there in the winter and he got stuck. So, but it's pretty cool, this spot. Like right in there, there's like a tunnel that the water goes into. And here's the swimming pool up there. But it's pretty hard to get to from where we are, so. But then this is from up above. There's some people down there. I don't know who they are. They just showed up. But it's an awesome place. Love coming here. Like I said, we've been here in the winter. You guys probably cannot hear me because of the waterfall, but it's an awesome spot.